G'day, it's Guy Freeman here from PlatinumPracticeCircle.com. Just wanted to give you something and some information about what I call the 3 1s. So this is really something that I use in my own business and that I teach inside of the coaching forum, Platinum Practice Circle. And it works really well if you're sort of at that point where you get stuck and you don't know where to turn to in terms of trying to generate leads and revenue for your business. So what we really do is the first thing is that we have a look at the 1-1 is looking for our traffic source for our prospects. So what this really can come down to, so when I look at my business, there's a couple of different avenues that we generate traffic from, or leads, I guess you could call it, or people to talk to. So basically our greatest lead generation is from SEO, so search engine optimization through Google. But we also have traffic that comes from our accounting referral partners, our mortgage brokers, as well as using Google AdWords, and also we have some lawyers in the mix there as well. But if I had to pick my single best one out of those sources, it would definitely be search engine optimization. So our next step then is to have a look at then how do we look at actually doubling that traffic source. So for example, for SEO, we might go and build some more backlinks, or a really good example was that looking at our numbers and using our business dashboard, which I'll talk to you about in another episode, which really shows you your key business numbers. We found that we had a really slow start to the year with our accounting referral partners and our mortgage brokers. So really for us, it was simply to say, okay, it went red in terms of receiving leads in from those sources. So we sat down with those guys, shouted them lunch, and we were able to then, in the next few weeks, just even being in front of those guys, we saw multiple leads start coming through. So SEO, for as an example, we might possibly go and build some more backlinks to try and double that source. Our next one is how do we improve conversions? So essentially this could be something like a free consultation, I guess, is what we use in our business, and this works really well. But in terms of the free consult, then how can we double conversions when we're sitting in front of people? And this might simply be something like we're implementing in our business now is to provide some sort of guarantee or risk reversal. So Jay Abraham and Tony Robbins speak about this in a really good episode that on Tony Robbins' podcast. But we're starting to play around with that. So that might be one way that we can implement the doubling of conversions. Now, next is the next one, and the third and last one is, when we're looking at this down the line, is to have one product there. And for me, I really like to, bundle services to form some form of a product. So, for example, in our business, it might be the Foundation to Wealth package, or Pathway to Wealth package, or a wealth management package. Again, looking at a business dashboard, and we've done a lot of work in terms of pricing and where the value is and profit to the business at those client segments. We've really found where we work best and where the most profitable is our accumulation type market that has some form of debt there in terms of house mortgage or investment property mortgage, where it gets a little bit more complex and we can add a few more strategies in there. So when we're looking at that, the one product for us then would be Pathway to Wealth. A family, a couple that has some debt there that they need help with. So looking at those 1-1s, like as an example, one traffic source, SEO, how can we double that? Potentially build more backlinks to get more leads. Conversions, we could possibly add a risk reversal or a guarantee somewhere into our engagement piece when we're sitting in front of our prospects. And thirdly, one product. So that's the Pathway to Wealth clients with some debt there as well. So hopefully you have a think about that in terms of your business, and then you write down each one of those, and then concentrate and focus on that for a month, and I'm sure you'll see the results. If you want to hear more about this stuff, please visit platinumpracticecircle.com, where you can, we've got a great community of members there that are high performing financial planning businesses and business owners. I've also got some private coaching in there too. So ask any questions to me and also privately and also to the community.